That
Long time for what?
for making that figure.
Making it is the game about making the figure? What was the game about? What was the game about?
I follow these other instructions very well, and we make a little mistake. That is, we didn't decide it earlier that what we have to make. That was a mistake. Otherwise, we have followed each other.
Was there a need? Was there a need to in this game? Was there a need to say क्या बनाना है? Was there a need to say क्या बनाना है? जो बनाना है उसको किस तरह व्यक्त करना है वो हाँ. Who are the two people who played the game?
We have not decided, but we have to wait. And then she was telling me this, and I just following her voice.
Logic.
There was the legs of figures also that I have, and she doesn't have the figures of same. Therefore, we get some
Confusion.
So one of the things she's saying is मेरे पास जो था उसके पास नहीं था इसलिए हमारा स्ट्रगल था. Understand?
Yes.
That is यहाँ पे जो है here you are just able to see the figures, but it is also a representation of capabilities, resources. I am making sense? ये एक बहाना है कि मेरे पास जो शेप्स थे उसके पास नहीं थे. जिंदगी में मेरे पास जो चीजें हैं जो कैपेबिलिटीज मेरे में हैं उसमें भी नहीं है, और फिर भी हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं जो मैंने सोचा वो बना के दिखाएं. यस क्या?
Lack of coordination.
Lack of coordination. So what all things would make the coordination better, or where all did you fail in the coordination?
Sir, we don't have same shapes, and both we don't have same shape and same number of cuts.
So one is the capabilities, shapes or capabilities is one.
Yes, sir.
But there are many capabilities that are same too. काफी ऐसा नहीं कि सारे ही अलग थे, ऐसा तो नहीं था. काफी चीजें सेम थी. फिर भी क्या हुआ?
Lack of coordination, sir.
Lack of coordination. So what all things that you had problem in the coordination? What all things?
Logical.
I'll come to observers. Let me get to these two ladies here who made very simple choice कि दो का बनाएंगे. दो का भी और कुछ बन गया है. Lot of us tried to do big shape. These two ladies here, they became a little bit more intelligent, saying बड़ा नहीं बनाएंगे, सिर्फ दो चीजों को जोड़ के बना देंगे. दो. फिर भी क्या हुआ?
ये तो
सर वैसे शेप्स तो जोड़ के ठीक ही बना हुआ था हमारा, बट हर इन्होंने नीचे बनाई थी, मैंने ऊपर बना ली थी. दो शेप्स को जोड़ के. अरे हाँ,
यो 10% की प्रॉब्लम थी और थोड़ा लिसनिंग प्रॉब्लम.
रंग तो बिल्कुल दोनों अलग थे. वही रंग भी तो आपने बनाया, आपने पूछा, आपके घर में मिस्त्री आया, उसको बोला ऐसा डिजाइन बनाओ. उसने बोला सर मैंने ऐसा ही डिजाइन बनाया. बोला यार वहाँ लाल हो रहा था. सर लाल पीला में क्या फर्क पड़ना था? समझ रहे हैं? Yeah? When we are talking about replicating, it is the last P. आपने बोला कि एक कार बनाओ, उसने बोला हाँ मैंने बना दिया. वो कार हमने देखा कि बैलगाड़ी तो दिख रहा है. ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता. Yeah, anything more? I found these two in this group doing well. What was the secret?
it was because we priorly decided what we have to make, who will make. It was decided, and who will suggest what has to be used. Then while communicating, we came to know that he was not having certain pieces with him which I was having. So I communicated with him and asked him which are those particular pieces he is having with him. Then I found that those pieces which he was having and I was also having those, and I used those. And then with that coordination, it worked.
This was the best. The team made exact replica and they were very professional. Why they could do good job? One of the things they discussed is जो शेप्स आपके पास है वही हमको बताइए, पहले बाकी जो नहीं है अपने पास वो निकाल के रखेंगे. So they were communicating this with each other. Yeah? Okay, anything more? So it is about understanding. First understanding what is the capability of other person. What is the capability that he has or he lacks. Then deciding what we do. Not deciding what I want to do and say kar do, because he does not have the capability at all in the very first place. And then we realize his skills deficiency, capability deficiency, all those deficiencies. Yeah? Anything more? Observers who want to share. You have been observing without helping. Those observers who are helping should not speak.
वो सही है क्योंकि हमने भी किया था कि पहले जितने हमारे पास कलर है वो हटा दो, दो चार जो हमारे जो बड़े बड़े थे उसे रख दो, उसी से कॉम्बिनेशन बनाना।
हाँ जी, ठीक ठीक। Anything more observers? Yes.
In the last, I found that, and I commented in the group that before starting, we should have decided what we are going to make and what are the things we are going to do.
Okay. Okay. What more? What more? Any other observers? Challenges were faced. Either I saw some people are really observing. I would like to ask the challenges they faced, and these people were raising these two things I saw very objective. Who had के बैठ गए थे? Most of other groups were involved.
Lack of goal setting,
Lack of goal setting. Okay.
lack of face-to-face communication.
Lack of face-to-face communication. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Anything more? Anything more?
Lack of communication. I may know whether she is having those same.
Lack of communication. One more. Lack of coordination. And you are observing. Figure out.
Mr. Dinesh is not
One is communicating. One is communicating. See, as much responsibility when you are receiver of a communication, do you also take responsibility? Do you also seek clarification? चार क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तभी आपको क्लैरिफिकेशन मिलेगा कि आर यू आस्किंग फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चंस टू इट, ओके, व्हिच शेप, व्हिच कलर, एंड आर यू गोइंग टू द 3, 4, 5th क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे और यस, सो यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्रेपीजिया, व्हाट एवर कलर एंड कहां रखना है, किधर रखना है. You made one made square, another make it better rectangle. Yes. So what are the struggles that you went through?
lack of understanding
Lack of understanding about what? What's the
about the how to make that particular shape and about the colors. They don't have the same colors.
What more?
And lack of knowledge also.
Lack of knowledge too. Okay. Observers. Anybody would like to share anything? So there is understanding. मैंने देखा कि कोई हेक्सागन उठाया तो बोला छह चीजें हैं उसमें. So you're trying to figure out trapezium है कि हेक्सागन है कि स्क्वायर है. So you're all struggling.
first thing was that the senders and receivers both were not coordinated and the understanding level was not same. They were not identifying the same object at the same time. And another thing was that the agitation of communicating and agitation in receiving. So two things I found in my important which made that kind of difference.
Okay. Anyone else who would like to share anything? Yes.
खुदी का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्लियर नहीं है, वो पहले खुद ही सोच रहा है, फिर वो अपने फीलिंग को लगा रहा है, तो हम लोग का ग्रोथ का ऑब्जेक्टिव इस
Okay. So as he says, the goal clarity is not there. Yeah. Objective नहीं था. तो जब you as a sender, we ourselves do not have the clarity. How will the receiver will have clarity? Any more? Any more before we wind up this session?
जो सेफ मिल रहे थे बहुत लेट मिले, उनको पहले कुछ और मिला था, उनको कुछ और मिल गया और टाइम ज़्यादा लगे.
Thank you. Anything more? Yes.
सीरियसनेस नहीं था, कुछ पता नहीं लोगों को कि ये शुरू कर पा रहे हैं और किस पे शुरू कर पा रहे हैं. जस्ट बैठ के कुछ किया गया, कुछ बार के चेंज किया गया और जो ऑफिसर बैठे थे उनका कोई कॉम्युनिकेशन कर रहे थे, हाँ कुछ भी बजे वो कुछ हो नहीं रहा था. वो हम लोगों ने कहा कि आप ऑफिस में बात करो, कोई लास्ट मोमेंट पर समझ में आया एंड बोथ ऑफ देम वांटेड टू प्ले डिफरेंट कि हमें अच्छा करना है, ये नहीं कि एक जैसा करना है या कुछ और नहीं कुछ है, ऐसा कुछ नो कम्युनिकेशन एट
मैंने ये भी देखा, perhaps it is a problem of my communication too. That मैंने जब बोला कि एक करेगा दूसरा उसका कॉपी करेगा। मैंने देखा कि काफी लोग अपना लेके अपना खुद का डिजाइन बना रहे थे, ये इधर भी डिजाइन बन रहा है उधर भी डिजाइन बन रहा है। Then I went back and saw and said तो अलग अलग डिजाइन बन रहा है। Then they realized oh they have to make same design by asking. Okay. So we had 2 exercises. Unfortunately, we do not have time to keep going. But I'm sure these two of these exercises have given a lot of insights about our own location of communication, or broadly speaking, what dimensions of communication we need to keep in mind. So I would like here, it's a voluntarily, some of you have observed, if you have grasped and you are going to imbibe, yeah, अपने जिंदगी में अगर कुछ चीजों का अगर बदलाव लाना चाहते हैं कम्युनिकेशन के प्रति, वो क्या चीजें होंगी? 2 या 3 चीजें कोई शेयर कर सकता है? What is that you are taking away from this exercise? What is it that you are taking away, and what is that you are going to 3 things I am going to implement in my life, which perhaps will make all the difference. With those thoughts, we will close the session. Kindly share your learnings from this exercise that you are going to implement in life.
थैंक यू सर। सर सबसे पहले तो आपका थैंक्स कहते हैं कि आपने हमें एक्सरसाइज कराई और आपका मेन जो टॉपिक था कम्युनिकेशन के ऊपर था, और हम सबसे जो मैंने इसको अंडरस्टैंड किया है वो ये है कि जो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ वो मेरे सामने वाला उस बात को समझ रहा है या नहीं समझ रहा। अगर मान लीजिए मैं अपनी बात कहता जाता हूँ और मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि मैं उसको ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ कि वो व्यक्ति सामने वाला समझ रहा है या नहीं समझ रहा है। तो ये चीज़ है कि जितना मैंने बताया है ना वो समझ गया है या नहीं समझ गया है, और मुझे उससे पूछना भी है हाँ भाई आप क्लियर हो गया इतना, फिर हमें नेक्स्ट बार
more lady there raise hand, and you think about those 2-3 things that you want to change in yourself in communication. Yes.
Sir, responsibility, first thing. Second thing, presence of mind. And third thing is communication.
So when you say responsibility, you are saying that I want to take responsibility of the outcome of a communication. Okay. Yeah. Anyone else would like to share anything that you gathered from here which will be of value to you? I'm sure.
The follow in between is very important.
Follow is very important.
Yeah, so which we seldom do.
Which we seldom do. Okay. I would like to say one thing. When you are saying don't use we, अक्सर हम लोग we use करके हवा में छोड़ देते हैं, हमको use करना है I will do follow up from now on. I'm making sense, sir?
Yes.
Because it's commitment for myself. I cannot commit on behalf of somebody else. But it is a commitment for not somebody. It is a commitment for myself.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. So I use करके बताइए. I. थोड़ा पास रखिएगा सर.
हाँ, ये जो सर ने बताया है, I am very thankful. This is again stress upon which we usually don't think about it. This is a very important thing that
We must use करिएगा. I use करें.
that I should have a purpose, and it should be very clear what we are communicating and why we are communicating and how we are communicating.
Okay. Kindly use I in your statement because you are going to tell yourself this is what I am going to do from now on. Anyone else? अरे इतने लोग हैं 100+ में 3 लोग बात कर रहे हैं. क्या मालूम? काफी कुछ पाए होंगे. You must have carried on of things.
इसमें मुझे एक बात सबसे ज़्यादा जो अच्छा लगा, कम्युनिकेशन में पहले प्लानिंग का होना आवश्यक है. वो पर्पस अगर पता हो तो शायद कम्युनिकेशन आसानी से किया जा सकता है.
So purpose or goal that should be clear and planning should be there before you communicate. Yes, please.
I am very thankful to you, sir. Team building, इसमें हमने सीखा है team building and within a team how we do better. और बेटर कैसे कर सकते हैं एज ए लीडर, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ और क्या नहीं कर सकती हूँ, व्हाट इज माई लैक ऑफ प्रेजेंट माइंड, लैक ऑफ माई एबिलिटी, दिस ऑल थिंग्स मैंने यहाँ सीखा है. आई हैव टू नो.
Thank you. Yeah. Somebody else want to share here?
Sir, while doing this activity, what difficulty I find is that whatever I was communicating to her, I didn't confirm whether she got it or not. That's what I do. And first of all, I should know what I want to tell to her. Then only the goal will be successful.
So you are saying communication has got a loop and I have to complete the loop. Until I don't complete the loop, I will not know what is the impact of what I said. Anyone else? Yes.
Sir, but I have learned from this bigger exercise, but I have not learned from other seminars and conferences. This is a work of teamwork. And I have learned what is the demerits of communication and how can I improve my ability to understand the receiver, and it will be the successful communication of mine and it will strengthen my ability also.
So what you're saying, responsibility of communication lies more with the sender than receiver, and as a sender I take responsibility so that the receiver also receives what I want to say. Yeah, anything more? Anything more? Okay.
In my opinion, what we need to understand first is identify your thoughts, what we are thinking.
Can you share with I?
So, yeah, so I should identify my thoughts first, and then I should understand that how to put my thoughts into words. So identifying the thoughts, which is a need for me, and then putting the thoughts is something which is an action for me. And if we are able to put our thoughts into words well, I think that is something which I can communicate well with myself as well as my team. Thank
So
you.
others, it is all about converting my thoughts into words, and also at the same time, how much do I take care of the link? That's all others. Anyone else? If that's all it is, I take leave of you. That's the session. It's काफी लोग खड़े हैं.
I have a question in mind.
Yes.
You have written here Chinese whispers. So what is Chinese whisper? It is Indian whispers. Why did you write there Chinese whispers?
For the next exercise, I will change the name. This game originated from China, so that's why it's carried on. But it's a good point. I change it to Indian whispers. Yeah. Anything more as a parting shot? So this Arun, done? Okay. Thank you very much. So you could